Good morning, students. Good morning, students. You know very well your exam is going to start from 20th January 2021 to 29. So, dear students, I am going to teach chapter number 6 of civics, market around us. जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, आप देखते भी हैं कि बाज़ार हमारे लिए बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, ए मैन इज़ ए मेंबर ऑफ सोसाइटी एंड ही हैज़ मेनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स। ऑल रिक्वायरमेंट्स आर फुलफिल्ड बाय द मेंबर ऑफ द सोसाइटी। Like this, if you want to purchase anything, so you have required the market. If want to purchase anything, if you want to sell anything, so that you have to take the help of market. Without market, you can't purchase anything, you can't fulfill your requirements. So, what is market? We will discuss in about that what is market. So, market, it is a place where trading of goods takes and place, that is sellers and buyers of good and services. मार्केट एक ऐसा प्लेस है जहां अच्छे सामान मिलते हैं सेलर के लिए और बायर के लिए. Seller and buyer are meeting, that is a place. Market is a place where seller and buyer are meeting and they choose their things they have required. And you can say there are two types of market, wholesale market and retail market. Yani like this, wholesale मार्केट क्या है भाई? ट्रेडर्स हु डील इन ए बल्क गुड्स. ट्रेडर्स हु डील इन बल्क गुड्स आर कॉल्ड होलसेलर एंड सेल ऑफ गुड्स बल्क इज नॉन एज होलसेल. होलसेल क्या होता है भाई? होलसेल और रिटेल मार्केट्स में क्या अंतर है? होलसेल मार्केट में बल्क रेट पर जो है सामान खरीदा जाता है और रिटेल मार्केट में होलसेल मार्केट से खरीद करके माल जाता है और इसे मच प्रॉफिट पे बेच दिया जाता है. यानी लाइक दिस, रिटेल मार्केट्स, आवर डे बिगिंस व्हेन द मिल्कमैन सप्लाइज अस मिल्क इन द मॉर्निंग. सुबह में दूध वाला आता है, वो हमें दूध देता है. Eggs and jams of our breakfast from the grocery in the market, and many things we purchase from the market. So that's these things are available on retail markets and wholesale market. But if you want to take 250 grams anything, so that's wholesaler is not providing that things. It will give the bulk things to the buyers who want to purchase. You can say retailer market in a small quantity if you have required, so that you can purchase from the retail markets. So the clothes we wear, books and stationery for school, other goods such as phone, music system, televisions, cosmetic, etc. These are the examples of retail markets. But mall, a big shop who is providing bulk things, that is known as wholesaler. Okay, so there are two categories of markets, wholesale market and retail market. So there are many types of market also, like this big bazaar. Big bazaar is a place where all things are available. Yani like this you can say A to Z. A to Z means all things like grocery item, like textile, yani like this clothes items and pot item, all things are available. So big bazaar, it is known as big bazaar. And maybe chances question will become, so that what do you mean by e-market? Yani like this, what do you mean by e-market? So we will say where selling and purchasing is done through the internet, by the help of internet. If you are purchasing anything, so that's by the help of e-market you can purchase anything. Okay, you can sell or purchase by the help of internet is known as e-market. So big bazaar, e-markets and wholesale and retail markets, these are the categories of market. जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं आजकल मॉल में जाने का प्रचलन है, तरह तरह के जो है वहाँ आइटम्स रखे जाते हैं जिससे कि आप लाभान्वित हों, और बायर्स वहाँ जाते हैं, खरीदार वहाँ जाते हैं और ऑफर के अनुसार और अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स के अनुसार जो है उस चीज़ को वो परचेज करते हैं. तो कंज्यूमर एक्सेस टू मार्केट एंड रेगुलेट्स द मार्केट्स. लाइक दिस you can see in the cities, towns, mega cities, metropolitan cities, there are many types of mall, who is very big, who is very small. So that's like this. In you can see in the cities, Vishal, Big Bazaar, Metro and other malls are there. But some factors who is affecting the access to the market. First, distance. What is the distance of that mall, of that market? So according to distance, if distance is very long, so that's buyers do not like to go there. If they have needed, so at the last moment they will go. Second thing, availability of goods. Whenever availability of goods is available there, so that buyers like to go there. Now facilities, all facilities are provided by that market, so that buyers like to go there. Qualities, you know very well that in this present time, quality is very important. Yani if you have quality, so that's every person like to you, and if you have no quality, so that's nobody like you. So quality must be, and if quality is available there, quality of the things is available there, so that's buyer like to go that place and purchase these things. Now price. This is the main motto of this price issues. If price is cheap rate, if price is in cheap rate, so that's buyer want to purchase that things. They comparison to the market, that market, this type cloth, this type things are available in a small amount. So that's in that market it is the very cheapest rate, so that's buyers buy that products or things. So income level, the market value, what is the market value of that place, and if many customers are coming in that market, so that customers purchase that things, and If many customers are coming in that market, they purchase a good amount of that things, so that's instead of the owner of that mall, the owner of that shop, he earns very well. He is earning and increase their shop or mall and offices. So that's income level speaks. So these are the factors who affect the markets. So dear students, in this chapter we have studied in about that market around us. So market, there are two types of important market, wholesale market and retail market, and other market are there. So I have explained. So at the last point, I am saying to you that if you want to preparation of essay 1, so at the last pages of the lesson you can see the keywords. Keywords are there, so that you will learn keywords and read the whole chapter, so that easily you can do all questions, because I have explained in in previous videos, that's MCQ, fill in the blanks, true, false, match the following, answer in one word, answer in details, it will become. And whenever you have studied the whole chapter, so you can do easily. I hope that there is no doubt and you are feeling doubt. So this is the solution to read the books. You can take help of the previous videos, and it was a revision of chapter number 2 and 6 in civics. So please try to understand. You have to fully concentration, fully focus on the study. In this present time, you have 10 days to preparation for the exam of all subjects. So you can take the help of the videos of previous. Thank you so much. We will meet again on next video. Thank you so much.